Hello, I'm Geoffrey Thompson from the HealthCERT team in the Ministry of Health. I'm here to talk about the new online forms that we have available for providers who are required to be certified under the Health and Disability Services Safety Act 2001. We've had forms online for quite some time, but we have now upgraded and improved them to make them easier to use and better for providers. We have 4 forms available. One to register your legal entity with HealthCERT when you first want to make an application. A form for applying for a new certificate for a new place or for a premises that you are purchasing. A form for renewing your certification when your certification is due to be renewed. And forms available for adding a service to an existing certificate or making a change to the premises that you have certified. To access the new online forms, you go to the same page on the Ministry's website that you've always gone to. If you go to the page for certification, you will find a section for providers, and then under that, a section for applying for certification. One new aspect of our online forms that you will notice is that all addresses are now type ahead. You can start typing in your address, the system will search our database and bring up the correct address based on what you've typed in. This applies to both physical and postal addresses. One of the new things in our online forms is the ability to add website addresses for both your organisation and for individual premises. However, when you are entering these, please include the full address. The easiest way to do this is to bring the website up, copy the full address out of the address bar, and paste it into the relevant website field. The new online forms are initially being deployed for HealthCERT applications under the Health and Disability Services Safety Act 2001. However, we do plan to use this system for other applications with the Ministry of Health. For example, licences to wholesale in drugs or licences to operate a pharmacy. As such, we do use some general language in these forms. A regulatory instrument is a generic term for all certificates, licences, authorities and the like that can be applied for through the Ministry of Health.